Oh my God.
Hi.
Where are you from?
I am from Ethiopia.
Ethiopia. I'm from United Kingdom of Kanyama in Ethiopia. Yes, I know you will not understand United Kingdom of Kanyama in Keroka, Kisi, Nyamira, Bomachok. If you need to know full information, you are supposed to come. This is a new continent from Kanyama.
I speak in English.
Okay, I speak in English. Okay, I love you. Hey, madam, why are you so carrying? Odishala.
You speak Arabic?
Yes, I speak Odishara. Mimi I know Arab. Sinche kurugusi Nyamira kwanza kisi nene bunera nene. Njibu kamaiti kiarabu. Njibu kamaiti.
I speak in English, please.
English kiye. And you can speak mother tongue. Kwana ngeke gusi. Kwana ngeke gusi aye. Ye speak English. Kwanda kanda kuchiali.